Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Natural by Imagine Dragons. Now before we can play the song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's two chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D minor and A major. If you know how to play those two chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, and then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the second fret. This is D minor. And our last chord is A major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the third string of the first fret, and then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A major. Now we're going to learn to play the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be D minor for 8 beats and A major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go into the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the D minor chord. Down, down, up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down, 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 up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down, 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 up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down, 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 up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down. And now let's add the chord progression to that strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through natural. That's the price you pay. Leave behind your heartache, cast away. Just another product of today. Rather be the hunter than the prey. And you're standing on the edge, face up, 'cause you're unnatural. A beating heart of stone. You gotta be so cold to make it in this world. Yeah, you're unnatural, living your life cutthroat. You gotta be so cold. Yeah, you're unnatural. By the way, when you get to the end of the bridge of the song, you're going to hold out the A major chord for 4 beats before jumping right back into the chorus. It should sound something like this. I can taste it, the end is upon us, I swear. Gonna make it, I'm gonna make it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural, a beating heart of stone. Now if you want to play through the rest of the song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Natural by Imagine Dragons. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.